Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for managing your online presence. Today, we're diving into the topic of how to downgrade domain protection on GoDaddy in 2025. If you're a domain owner looking to cut costs or adjust your security settings, this guide is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to make these changes quickly and confidently. First off, why would you want to downgrade domain protection? GoDaddy offers features like domain lock and privacy protection to safeguard your site, but if you're on a budget or no longer need the full suite, downgrading can save you money without compromising too much security. Let's jump right into the steps, assuming we're in 2025 with any recent updates to GoDaddy's interface. Step 1. Log in to your GoDaddy account. Head over to the GoDaddy website and enter your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that as well. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the My Products section. This is usually on the dashboard where you can see all your domains and services. Step 3. Select the domain you want to manage. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the domain's overview page. Step 4. Look for the Security or Protection settings. In 2025, GoDaddy might have updated their layout, but you should find an option labeled something like Domain Protection or Advanced Security. Click on that to view your current plan. Step 5. Review your options. You'll see details about your current protection level. To downgrade, select a lower tier, perhaps from Premium to Basic, or choose to disable certain features like auto-renewal for protection services. Step 6. Confirm the changes. GoDaddy will likely prompt you to review the downgrade, including any potential risks and cost savings. Double-check everything, then hit Confirm or Apply Changes. A quick tip. Before you proceed, ensure this downgrade won't expose your domain to risks. For example, if you're running a business site, you might want to keep some protection active. Always back up your settings just in case. And there you have it. That's how you downgrade domain protection on GoDaddy in 2025. It's a simple process that can help you manage your expenses more effectively. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.